Hello Saber Junkies. I wanted to make this video for Jerald because this is an actual repair video. I'm not showing you the repair itself, just the finished repair. What had happened here was Jerald sent me a video and this chassis had broken. Let's see, the kill switch was right here, and so it had cracked along the kill switch all the way over to the crystal chamber, and so you could move the whole thing. And so I told him to send it to me and I would get it fixed up. I went back and I designed a few changes on the design, removed the kill switch from there and put it down here. And now keep in mind that this other one was multi-jet fusion nylon, just as this one is, but by moving the kill switch and adding some struts, I was able to make it sturdier. It's been a little bit over a year when it was first built, but regardless of that time frame, you know, it broke, so it's my job to fix it. But just got it back together and I just got it programmed, so I haven't really tested everything. I will say that this snaps down, kind of push down on that point there. It's got a little place here for your thumbnail to open it up. Oh, hey, it does require a battery to work.
Okay, Charizard, I choose you!
We've got several Valkyries sitting here because this chassis is removable. And the way I accomplished that was I put a standard 6x6x5 micro switch in there, and so that it wouldn't move around, I then put this piece in here over top of that, which then contours to this point and allows the switch to actually sit down inside of this point to keep it from moving. Now the first one that I did, because I did not have all of his, when I did this I only had the red one here, and so I put in a couple of different lockdowns. So this one has a lockdown here, whereas the blue one does not. So nonetheless, this does work to hold it into place. So the one thing that was removed was the small LED strips right here. So I removed those for stability and making sure this didn't happen again. So we've got a 6-blade setup. We've got this long strip underneath the battery, crystal chamber. We've got animations going on here with the stock V3, and of course these two LEDs that are from the Saber Armory. Now, the way this works, you slide it in here, line it up the best you can with the switch hole, and then this tightens down on there. Check it out for movement. If it has a little, put it in the center of that movement, lock it down a little bit more until you don't have hardly any movement, and then that works. So I have not test fit these yet, so let's do that. The Valkyries are always really tight fits. it's one of those things that worries me when doing these types of installs, if it's going to thread on there nice and smooth, and it did.
I'm Luke Skywalker.
Like I said, we have animation there, and the opening. This, of course, was etched by Carl over at Vaults of Valhalla. So let's go ahead and pull this one out. It opened, or it put on there, it went on there nice and smooth. So let's check the other one and make sure it does, and then this will be completed. You have to kind of grip it right below. So this spins right here, so you have to grip it right below that. That's a good snug fit.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
So let's give this a shot here. Just goes on there nice and smooth, which just makes me very happy. All right, well, I am pleased. I don't know about you guys, but with that going on there good, my work here is done. One thing I need to check on, I did not think to check, and that'll just have to go up just a little bit. That one fits in there fine. So this blade plug sits a little bit low. Yeah, it sits a little bit low. So what I'll do is cut off about 3/16 off the bottom of this on the lathe, and that way it does not sit low. There's plenty of length to it here, and that way it'll sit down in there like it's supposed to. Or I can leave it just like that, but personally I think it'll look better if it sits down just a little bit. So I'll go ahead and do that. So that is that, and hopefully I made this a quick video. And Jerald, hopefully this will work for a long time for you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.